Go like yo, Ray, me, so done with you, girl.
One more. Oh, here we go.
Why do I never have water? What the heck?
I wanna feel you, somebody. Oh. Oh. Ooh. Okay. Will always love you. Whoa, yeah, I will always love you. Alright, this is the last chance. Wait a minute. Wait. Guys, this is how to get a spike every single time in Forgotten Desert Adventure. You have to sing songs, Whitney Houston, every single time, and it works. 10 out of 10 guaranteed. The end. Alright, let's beat this kid up in marbles. Thank you! Oh my gosh! How did I do that? Okay, if I lose now. Oh my gosh! Yes. Let's go, baby. I never lose. Take on me. Take me out. I mean, I think these are kind of rare. Just kidding, I have no idea. Here we go. Oh my gosh. Do I look like I know how to use a hoe to you? No. Because I am one. This is where I got a spike last time. So. That is not a spike! Oh my word, this is my favorite party. Because I get to ride everybody. Riding people for free. Will I get banned if I say that? I think I might get banned. Ride me. Yeah, I definitely would have got banned.